Hello everybody, Mark Anthony here, the Vegas tourist, and I'm at the JW Marriott up in Summerlin, up here kind of a little bit northwest of downtown Las Vegas. A very good friend of mine, Marty, is in town, and he is staying at the JW Marriott up here, and he's staying at a junior suite. You've got to see this suite. Okay, now they were assigned a junior suite, and it was an ADA accessible suite. But what's really neat about this one at the JW Marriott is it does not take away from the whole suite experience. It's actually an addition. They have the additional ADA accessible bathroom, shower, and amenities. So it's not taken away from the rest of the room. Now, the suite also has wait for it, it has a refrigerator, a mini fridge that is empty. You get to put what you want in it. It's not a mini bar. Isn't that cool? And then, of course, your usual amenities. And then there's the living area. Very roomy, very well lit. It has a armoire there in the middle with a television set. It's a good size screen. That actually, there it is. Go around to a queen size bed, very nice bed, very comfortable bed. Plenty of little lights on both sides for her, and then we come back to the armoire, the dresser, and there's the television screen. You get to rotate that around so that you can watch a movie while you're laying in bed. Well landscaped outside as well. But here's what I love. This is what really caught my eye. Large closet, very large closet, and then large bathroom. And the toilet area has a bidet in it, an actual bidet, if you are from France or wherever. Good sized tub, jacuzzi, 2 sinks, lots of room there, lots of counter space there. And then, bathrobe. His and her bathrobes. Love that part. But look at this shower. I mean, look at this thing. First of all, the shower head itself is 6 feet tall. And then, look at that. You have a rain shower. You can have a small party in this shower. Marble tile. This thing is so, I want to use that word, wonderful, but it is really a really cool shower. 845 square feet, lots of room to do what you want in it. It's very well. Thanks, Marty. Well, there you have it, folks. The junior suite at the JW Marriott in Las Vegas, actually Summerlin. It's raining here. What'd you think of that suite? Wasn't that cool? Great. This is a cool resort. Seriously, you gotta check this out. All right. Yes, it's a little bit off of the strip, but it's a really, really cool place. All right. As always, leave me your comments and your questions down below. Follow me on all of the social media. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button. You know this story, folks. Come on, go ahead and do it. All right. Mark Anthony, the Vegas tourist, and I will catch you all next time.